Hey boys and girls, here we are, day number 20 of our February daily math. Day 20, think about that. Another 20 days of math, just getting better every day. Number 1, draw hands on the clock to show 3:20. Let's get those minutes done right away. 5, 10, 15, 20. So we're going to draw that minute hand all the way out here, right? There it is, 20 minutes. And our hour hand is going to be somewhere between the 3 and the 4. So let's put our hour hand about right here. There you go. There's 3:20. All right. Number 2, how much? Well, let's start with the big one. We got 25. Here's a dime. That makes it 35. And then a nickel. 35 and 5 is 40. 2 more pennies, so we have 41, 42. That is 42 cents. Again, 25, 35, 40, 41, 42. All right, number 3. Today, Monkey Shines is going to the media center. He sees 4 shelves of books. There are 5 books on each shelf. How many books does Monkey Shines see in all? All right, well, we have 4 shelves. And there are 5 books on each shelf. That's a grouping answer, right? So we can group them by using multiplication. How many books does Monkey Shines see in all? 5 times 4 equals 20 books. Good, yeah. Don't forget to get that label on there, right, kiddos? All right. And this says count by 100s. Okay, so we can pretty much put a 47 in there for every number because that is not going to change, right? All right, so we have, this would be like a 0 basically, right? So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, last February problem right here. Measure the length of the arrow in centimeters. So we're going to zero that out right there. And you can see our arrow is 5 centimeters. Woo! All right, boys and girls, awesome work on there. Hey, I'll see you in March.